Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm heading to one of the most beautiful hidden beach resorts in Thailand, the stunning Le Méridien Phuket Beach Resort located on the tropical island of Phuket. So, planning to Phuket? Book Le Méridien Phuket Beach Resort and you will not regret. You will love the location, you will love the vibes over here. Trust me, this place is not your average Phuket hotel. It has its own private beach, as I've shared a little glimpse of photos. Alright, I've just arrived, and the first impressions, no words. This place feels massive and super luxurious. Tucked away on Phuket's stunning coastline, surrounded by lush tropical hills and the shimmering Andaman Sea. This isn't just a hotel, it's a private escape where nature, comfort, and elegance come together in a perfect harmony. As I arrived, all the guests were greeted with a graceful and vibrant traditional Thai dance, an expression of warmth, culture, and heartfelt hospitality, and also welcomed with a refreshing drink. The staff is incredibly warm, and the whole lobby has this open, airy vibe with views of greenery and the ocean in the distance. The open air lobby is designed to connect you with nature. High ceilings, elegant wooden details, and panoramic views of the sea. This is the night view I have captured in my camera. I just loved it. Now let's step inside one of the resort's beautifully designed rooms. So this is my room. Yeah. As the door opens, I am welcomed into a thoughtfully designed space where modern comfort meets tropical elegance. A clean, spacious layout immediately sets a calming tone with soft lighting and refined decor. Wake up where every morning begins with the sea right outside your window. Step into a space designed for comfort and elegance, a room that blends luxury and with breathtaking views. Wow, look at the pool, look at the trees, the greenery, the hotel view, the sea. It's looking just like a wow. At the heart of the room lies a plus king size bed layered with premium linens and designed for ultimate relaxation. Every detail from the bedside lighting to the layout is crafted to enhance comfort and convenience. The room is fully equipped with modern amenities like high-speed Wi-Fi, a large flat-screen TV, a workspace, and controls for lighting and AC. Whether you are here to relax or stay connected, everything is within reach. The best and the favorite part of girls. Step into the bathroom, featuring a spacious walk-in shower, premium fittings, and elegant finishes. Soft lighting, large mirrors, and quality amenities elevate the entire experience, making even the simplest routines feel indulgent. Unwind in style with a modern bathroom featuring a sleek transparent glass door, because even the smallest details deserve to feel extraordinary. A small minibar and a coffee station. A well-stocked minibar, everything you need for the late night refreshments. Perfect for those quiet moments in your own private retreat. दारू हो और साथ में चखना ना हो, ऐसा हो सकता है. Perfect combination snacks for your refreshments, for your drinks. Every room at Le Méridien Phuket Beach Resort is more than just a place to stay. It's a space designed to help you truly relax, recharge, and reconnect. So, next time planning to Phuket, do try Le Méridien. It's an awesome stay. The resort also features one of the largest swimming pools in Phuket, surrounded by palm trees and comfortable loungers. Whether you're swimming, sunbathing, or simply enjoying the view, relaxation comes naturally. Dining here is a journey in itself, from authentic Thai cuisine to international favorites and fresh seafood. Each restaurant offers a unique experience, whether it's a casual lunch by the beach or a refined dinner under the stars. Every meal becomes a memory. Step outside and you'll discover one of the resort's most exclusive features, and that is a private beach. Far from the crowds, this stretch of soft white sand and crystal clear water offers a peaceful, untouched escape. For those seeking more than relaxation, the resort offers a wide range of activities, like from tennis courts and a fully equipped fitness center to water sports and family friendly experiences. There's something for every kind of traveler. As the sun dips below the horizon, the entire resort transforms. Golden skies, gentle waves, and a peaceful ambience create moments that feel almost timeless. Beyond relaxation and luxury, Le Méridien Phuket Beach Resort also offers a delightful shopping experience right within the resort. A collection of elegant boutique stores invites you to explore, offering everything from stylish beachwear to unique souvenirs. Whether you are looking for something practical or a special keepsake to remember your stay, you'll find it over here. Discover a curated selection of resort wear, swimwear, and accessories, perfect for Phuket's tropical vibe. Light fabrics, vibrant colors, and comfortable designs ensure you're always dressed for the island lifestyle. As the first light of the day gently paints the sky, the world feels quieter and still. Barefoot on the cool sand, every step brings us closer to a moment of pure serenity. Like when the water touches my feet, it looks like wow, feeling the calmness. And then the ocean reaches me, gentle waves brushing against my feet, as if the sea itself is welcoming you. There's no hurry, no distractions, just me and the waves, enjoying it. As the sun disappears beyond the horizon, a different kind of beauty begins to unfold. Soft lights illuminate the pathways, casting a warm glow across the resort. Every corner feels more magical. The pool mirrors the night sky, shimmering with reflections that dance with every gentle ripple. The entire resort transforms into a century of light, elegance, and tranquility. At Le Méridien Phuket Beach Resort, the night isn't just an ending, it's an experience waiting to be felt. And I am really feeling it. I'm loving it. Enjoying the live music in Le Meriden. You know what funny thing happened with me while this? I requested her to sing a Hindi song and I just forgot to play the button and I am just holding the camera thinking that it's being recording. Then I requested her again that I forgot to click on the record button. Can you please sing it again for me?
Right? Okay, so Nali has requested to sing this song. Alright, it's another, for the second time around, it's for you. Shukriya. Thank you so much. Good night. See you again.
Good night.